Hi, I'm going to show you some things to do with the Decanomial to help with memorizing multiplication and division facts. So right now I have this entire board set up. First we start with the unit squared, and then we lay out the squares all the way down, and then we lay out the other tiles. And people children who have been in primary and lower L probably have done this just without the little number tickets. But now, after we do that, we're going to lay out the number tickets going across both of these directions. And there's a couple different activities that we can do with it. The squares can be labeled here with the number tickets as well. I have 8 squared and 64 shown, but ideally 64 will be on the other side of 8 squared so that that's clear to the child as they're helping memorize facts. They can also do skip counting, much like they do with the beads going down, so they can choose a row and label them. In this case, I have 8 labeled: 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64. They can also take a number and they can multiply it. So let's say I'm going to go with this one. I have 5 times 8, and I'm going to get my header cards. And then here's my answer, which would be 40. And then I have a box of cards here to add my multiplication signs. So this is just the simplest one, but if I want to add something else, like let's say I want to say 500 times 8,000. Well, all I have to do is take out my number cards here, and I explain that 5 times 100 is going to give us 500, and I can slide the card there, and 8 times 1,000 is going to give us 8,000. And I also slide it across. Now I know that 5 times 8 is my answer, which is 40, and I know that I have 2 zeros here from my hundreds, so I can simply, knowing my trick with the zeros, add those. And I also have 3 zeros here from my 8,000s, and so if I have 100 times 1,000, well, I know that's going to give me 100,000, right? Plus I add my 40. So my at the top there, because 40 times all of this. So that's how I know that my answer would be, when I add the 40, that makes it 4 million. Or yeah, 4 million. So